A few months ago, I did a video showing a new update to the Chrome web browser that allowed you to capture full page screenshots in Chrome for Android. Now, this is still something that not many people are aware of. So if you are using Chrome one day and you would like to capture a screenshot of a website, know that you can now share that website with Chrome itself to trigger a screenshot capture tool. Now, with the recent update to version 98 of Chrome, we're now seeing this feature expanded with a handful of emojis for us to pick from. Now, for this to work, we first need to go to the experiments page, which you can access by typing in Chrome://flags in the address bar and pressing enter. And then you're going to want to go into the search box right here. And I just searched for the word lightweight to filter out all of the other options except this one. When searching for lightweight, it should remove all of the other ones so we can only see the lightweight reactions option. And we can tap this box right here, which should be set to enable, or should be set to default by default. But we can force this feature on by highlighting or selecting the enabled option and then tapping the blue relaunch button at the bottom right. Now, once this feature is enabled, we can try this out by visiting a website, finding an image that you would like to capture a screenshot of. So say this part. We're going to tap the three-dot menu at the top right and then select the share option. So this screenshot option is the feature that I just recently told you about. However, we're going to select the add emotion button right here. When we do that, we're going to see a emoji added to the website by default. It's the first one in the list, but we can remove that if we want. Instead, we can scroll through this small list of animated emoji, tap one of them, and we can see that it gets added to the list. So if you want to add an animated emoji to a screenshot that you create in Chrome, after you have enabled that hidden feature, we can access this new user interface and simply add one of these emojis to the image. So once you're done, we can go ahead and save this by tapping the checkbox, the check mark at the bottom right. It's going to create that GIF and then ask us what we want to do with it. We can email it, we can save it to keeps, we can print it, copy the image. And now whenever we view that saved image, remember it is an animated GIF that we can see the emoji right on the website. So that's a new experimental feature that was recently added to version 98 of Chrome. This version was just pushed out via the Play Store and should arrive on all of your devices in the near future. This is a feature that does need to be manually enabled, but similarly to the long screenshot feature, it could turn into a main feature in a future update.